Are you wondering how to craft cocktails like a pro? Let us take you on a journey through Master Mixology Amsterdam 2024, where the art of cocktail making meets the vibrant culture of our beloved city. Here at the White Tulip Hostel, we pride ourselves on knowing Amsterdam inside and out. We're not just about providing the best accommodation, we're also about enhancing your experience in every way possible. That's why we're thrilled to introduce you to this extraordinary event. Imagine yourself standing behind a bar, not just any bar, but one inspired by the heart and soul of Amsterdam's bustling nightlife. The gleaming bottles, the aromatic bitters, the vibrant garnishes, all within arm's reach as you master the intricacies of mixology. You'll be learning from the creme de la creme of the cocktail world, experts who've honed their skills in the most prestigious bars globally. What can you expect? A hands-on, immersive experience that transforms you from a cocktail enthusiast into a true mixologist. You'll explore the subtleties of flavor pairing, the precision of measuring, and the creativity required to craft a cocktail that's not just a drink, but an experience. Whether you're someone who loves the classics, think Negroni, old-fashioned, or martini, or you're eager to experiment with avant-garde creations, Master Mixology Amsterdam 2024 has something for you. Perfect for novices and seasoned pros alike, this event is a fantastic way to elevate your cocktail game. So, why just be a spectator when you can be a creator? Step into the world of mixology, where every sip tells a story. Join us and transform your passion into prowess. For more details and to reserve your spot, check out the link in the description. Dive into the world of cocktails and make 2024 a year to remember.